The previous version was great, but you can always do better. A good company is always innovating. The V3 Standing Desk is proof that the best can always get better. My name is Shane Gilbreth. I'm the lead designer on the UPLIFT V3 Standing Desk. We wanted to redesign the desk to make it faster to assemble, easier to assemble, to modernize all the components, while still retaining all the features that we love from previous generations. This process started probably a couple years ago with a long wish list of items we'd like to improve with our previous generation, and then they all culminated into one singular design that we call the V3. To get our assembly time under 5 minutes, it took an array of changes. We use less fasteners, and the fasteners we do use are pre-attached to the parts. This means less fiddling in boxes, looking for screws, and assembly require as few tools as possible. And we managed to get that down to one 5mm Allen key. This is the one tool which most of the fasteners on the desk use to attach. It's got both a long side and a short side to get the reach you need and the strength you need to secure your desk. Aside from the one tool that's included with your frame, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver for a few other parts. My favorite feature of the V3 is the fact that our front to back stability is stronger than anything we've ever done before. We increased the strength on this desk by adding reinforced feet, I-beam center rails, and one-piece frame ends. The process started with testing the individual systems for strength and efficiency independently. So feet were tested independently of brackets. So we had the best feet, the best brackets with the best center rails, which when all brought together made one rock-solid desk. The V3 retains 100% compatibility with all our previous accessories and desktops. My favorite feature to carry over were the V2 attachment points on the frame ends, which we use to attach everything from extension platforms to the under-desk hammock. I'm very satisfied with the redesign. I think we hit all the goals we were after in terms of stability and assembly time while maintaining compatibility with all of our accessories that we offer to date. Nothing of value was lost and everything was gained. You can find out more information about the UPLIFT V3 Standing Desk at upliftdesk.com.